During my career at Armstrong World Industries, I had the chance to visit manufacturing plants all over the world. One visit to Team Valley in the UK left a lasting impression on me about what real employee engagement looks like. I was part of a four-man benchmarking team traveling through Europe to learn best practices from different plants. Now, we saw many impressive operations in Germany, the Netherlands, but Team Valley stood out above the rest. From the moment we walked the floor, it was obvious the workforce was highly disciplined, organized, engaged, and committed. Operators and mechanics weren't just doing their jobs, they were actively improving how the plant ran. Now, in the afternoon, we attended a technical session on the science of drying ceiling tiles. What amazed me the most was that the most engaged participants were the hourly operators, not the engineers. The operators asked deep, thoughtful questions because they genuinely wanted to understand how to run their process better. That visit taught me a very powerful lesson. When leaders build the right culture, employees start thinking and acting like business owners. I hope this story provided you with some inspiration to revisit your own processes. I have a lot more I'd like to share. Head over to pi-partners.com to learn how I can help. And check back from time to time for more Kaizen stories.